So I know I fucking look crazy right now. It's because I'm gonna be doing a fancy little makeup look today, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. And I haven't recorded a video in a really long time, so yeah, here you go. And I got stuff today that I just want to show it to y'all. Probably ain't even that interesting, but I still want to show y'all because I'm fucking lonely. But first of all, I want to show y'all my favorite thing. I'm using it right now. It's this ring light that I got. Watch this shit, bro. Watch all these modes. Oh, bam. Yeah. Woo. Puss for breakfast. That's how I start my hair. Look at all. And then these are just basic colors. And then we got red, green, blue, yellow, purple, blue, flashing rainbow colors. Whatever that is. This isn't a rainbow, but it don't even look like it. And we got that. Pretty dope. Look at all that. Is that not fucking awesome, bro? It has so much. And it was like $20. Nobody can tell me this wasn't a fucking good deal. Especially for someone like me who trying to be successful
on the internet, but nobody fucking likes her.
So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. Then I got this bathing suit top, but I'm wearing it as like a little shirt so I can record. And then I got this, I did bleach my hair. That's why it looks so light right here compared to the rest of my hair where I put this stuff on. But it's just hair, color spray, whatever you want to call it. But for now, I'm going to try to pull my bangs back because, they're so crusty right now. Yeah, I want to do makeup and show you all the shit I got today because maybe it'll be fun. Maybe not. Nobody cares about my YouTube. First thing we're going to do, per usual, is my eyebrows. So let me find my brush, whatever the fuck it is. Alright. So we're going to do my eyebrows. So let me update y'all about my life once again. I'm still working and it's hard. I always have a headache or something now. Like, it's very annoying. It's very tough. I love my job. It's just working is hard, bro. That's why I'm trying to be a stay-at-home mommy. Which, that don't even sound fair because nobody likes to work, but I don't ever want to work. I'll take care of your kids, but come on now. That one came out perfect almost. Wow, sexy motherfucker. I'm just gonna clean them up now. I also got this new little brush. It's an elf brush. I was going to use it for something else, but I'm going to use it right now because I need it. So, now I'm going to just clean up all these rough ass edges and like suck at it because I'm not good at makeup. JK, I'm like the fucking best around, let me tell you. I'm kidding. I'm not the best around at makeup. That's just stupid. I used to think I was, but no. It can't be me. It ain't me. I don't care what anybody says. It's not me. I stopped with the child, put a bullet in his door. Look at that. Clean. Precise. Nice. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. I also post some songs on SoundCloud and I got 5 million plays. I'm just kidding. No one listens to it. That's fine. It's whatever, honestly. I don't even care.
China 69 like Takashi, call him Poppy.
Damn. Damn, shawty. That kind of look good. Fuck yeah. Bro, let me tell you, life just sucks. I feel like ass. Oh, shit. Ugh. Life sucks. I'm not happy. There's like one good thing going for me right now, but they live 1,800 miles away. You know who you are. No, I've been very quiet, but my head hurts. It infuriates me, bitch. I hate everything.
Stop bullying. Don't.
Alright, class. Now, I'm gonna get my powder. And I'm gonna put it over all that crap. Because if I don't know how people say this is how it works, but I cannot blend my eyeshadow out. And now I wanna try something. I got a new eyeshadow palette and I'm look, it's by Wet n Wild. Look how fucking pretty. Ah. I could try to use it. Oh my god. Damn, bitch, that's pigmented for Wet n Wild. Holy fuck. So
What the fuck is that noise, bitch?
I don't know who the fuck that is. Hell no. I think the fuck not. I mean, it does have really bad fall, but it is really pigmented. And this palette was like $4 because to me it makes all the sense in the world. Look at that. Bussin', baby. That's hot. Oh my god, it's so fucking sexy. Now I put the purple on my other eye. Honestly, be messy because you can just clean it up, baby. You already know what the fuck going on, beach. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna get this fucking sparkly shit. I'm not having a good time at all. What the fuck? Ah! Disgusting. I never like doing my makeup or my eyebrows like this. Doesn't it kind of like match the vibe? I don't even know. Damn. Vibing, bitch.
Snapchat, say what's up to my boyfriend.
I need some nicotine.
I can see.
This is the finished look. Yo. He want my number, had to hit him with the Fantasizing, got him feeling for this